Good afternoon, Rich. This is Mike Malloy coming to you from Bill Stasek Chevrolet in Wheeling, Illinois. I have before you the 2500 Silverado HD two-wheel drive work truck that you were asking about. As you can see, it's in Summit White, 17-inch wheels, 6.0 liter V8 engine. There's tow hooks in front. Has the convenience package, which features a backup camera for you, outside heated power adjustable mirrors, tinted windows, a 110 AC power outlet, power windows, and door locks with keyless entry. As you can see, it's got an 8-foot box. Rear brake light. Two and a half inch trailer receiver with 7 and 4 pin plug-ins, and there's a 2-inch insert for your trailering if you need a 2-inch receiver. The step-in bumpers for easy access to the bed. Inside the cab here, of course, it's a regular cab. You have cruise control on the steering wheel. Trailer gain controls here. Of course, daytime running lights, seating for 2 or 3. You fold up the center console. There's your your color screen, 4.2 inch. Also, your comfort controls are right here. Bed lighting for the work bed. All right. Again, this is Mike Malloy at Bill Stasek Chevrolet in Wheeling. If you have any questions about the truck, please give me a call, 847-254-8536. Look forward to hearing from you, Rich. Have a great day.